11 19th century lithographed, color lithographed maps relating to Australia. These were printed in 1889 in London by Maclure. And you can see, for instance, this map here is on 2 sheets issued separately like so, and it could be joined. And this is also a pair issued separately on 2 sheets like so. Tremendous level of detail on these maps, showing all sorts of interior terrain features. And this one of New South Wales is also a 2-sheet map like so. The Old Man Plain, that's interesting. Okay, put these 2 here, and then we get into this one, Northern, like so, again on 2 sheets. And the final pair, actually no, these are 2 separate ones right here. This one is South Australia, Adelaide, and this one is Victoria along the southern coast. And so this lot of 11 color lithograph maps is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.